The Jose R. Reyes Memorial Medical Center has begun preparing as the year 2017 approaches. Meanwhile, doctors also remind the public against the use of firecrackers. Joan Nano will tell us why.
The Jose R. Reyes Memorial Medical Center is now preparing for the expected influx of victims of firecrackers, especially on December 31. Presently, JRRMMC has a total of 7 firecracker injuries admitted in their hospital, wherein one of those has his finger severed. Piccolo remains as the leading cause of firecracker-related injuries that are brought to the hospital. Meanwhile, doctors also warn the public on the complications brought by firecracker wounds. According to the experts, this might bring allergic reactions or infections. If not given immediate medical attention, this might lead to the death of the patient.
Pag ginawa nyo lang is hinugasan nyo lang, pinak nyo lang, hinayaan nyo lang, pwedeng mamatay yung parte na yun na naapektuhan. At pag namatay yun, nabulok yun, pwede pang mag-cause yun ng infeksyon. Yung infeksyon pwedeng kumalat sa katawan. So pinakaunang pwedeng gawin is pag nakita na injure yung kamay, hugasan agad siya ng running water. Kung kayang sabunin, preferably kaya sana, no? Pagkatapos hugasan ng mabuti, patuyuin, ipak siya, lagyan ng gasa tapos ipak. Ang pinakamaganda talaga dalhin sa ospital.
Despite the dangers caused by firecrackers, a lot of people are still using this in their revelry as the year ends. The Department of Health, however, is continuously reminding the public to avoid using firecrackers, but instead watch public fireworks display or use alternative noisemakers. Joan Nano, UNTV News and Rescue, Manila.